Good morning, dear students. As I taught you, I completed your second poem, Sympathy. So, right now, today, we are going to discuss stanza-wise comprehension question. Okay. So, the first question is write the name of the poem from which the above stanza has been selected. Who is the poet of this poem? Okay. So here, the name of the poem is Sympathy, and Charles Mackay is the poet of this poem. Answer. Now, the second question is which word rhyme with each other in the above stanza? So, word rhyme with word. Now, question number 3. How did a proud man help the poet? The proud man helped the poet with money. Now, fourth number question. What did the poet do when his sorrow passed? See the answer. When the sorrow passed, he paid him back his money. Now, let me scroll the page here. A part completed. In first stanza, there were 4 questions. In the second stanza, there is again 4 questions. Okay, there are 4 questions. So see the question at first. Question number 1: name the poem from which the above stanza has been taken. Okay, and who is the poet of this poem? This is very common answer because earlier also in question 1 we have done. So don't repeat the answer. Don't repeat the question. We have already done earlier. Now, question number second. Who passed by the poet? That means in this second stanza, he is talking about the poor man. Okay, when the poet fell sick second time. So a poor man passed by the poet. Now the third question. How did the proud man help the poet? How did the proud man help the poet? We have done already. Now, the poor man help is greater than gold. Here, there is some mistake. Like in question here, again it is written what? Proud. But you have to make it what? Poor. Okay, because proud वाला क्वेश्चन हम लोग ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं तो यहाँ पे ये पूछा जा रहा है कि हाउ डिड द पुअर मैन हेल्प द पोएट. ओके, आप अपने क्वेश्चन में ठीक कर लीजिएगा. यहाँ पे प्राउड की जगह वहां पे क्वेश्चन में पुअर की जगह प्राउड लिख दिया है तो आपको पुअर उसे बनाना है. सो सीधा आंसर द पुअर मैन प्रेस्ड द पोएट्स हेड. सर को दबाया because he was suffering from headache, gave him food and took care of him day and night. Now, fourth number question. The poor man's help is greater than gold. Why? See the answer. The poor man's help is greater than gold. Gold here, it means what? Money. Okay. So the poor man's help is greater than gold because gold can be repaid, but words of sympathy cannot be paid back. In this way, we have completed stanza-wise question. Now we have some comprehension questions. Okay. In comprehension question, the first question has been asked, who lays in sorrow? The poet lays in sorrow. Second question, was the poet satisfied with his health? If not, so why? That means he is talking about, in the question, it is talking about uh, the proud man. Okay, so the poet was not satisfied with his health because he did not say a kind word to show sympathy. Okay, पैसे से तो मदद किया लेकिन कोई भी काइंड वर्ड नहीं बोला, प्यार के 2 शब्द नहीं बोले. That is why the poet was not satisfied. Now see the question number 3. How did the poet repay the proud man when his sorrow had passed? See the answer. When the sorrow of poet had passed, he went to the proud man and paid him back his money with dignity and thanked, Thanked, thanked the proud man for his help. We have another question also. Now, see the next question, that is question number 4. How did a poor man help the poet when later on he lay in want and grief again? See the answer. The poor man helped the poet by serving him with sympathy. He praised the poet's head, gave him food, and took care of him day and night. Now, question number 5. Why does the poet think that it is difficult to pay back the poor man? See the answer. The poet thinks that it is difficult to pay back the poor man because sympathy can never be repaid as it is greater than money. Now we have question number 6. In question number 6, the question is, what difference do you find between the attitude of the proud man and the attitude of the poor man? See the answer here. The attitude of poor man was full of pride. घमंड से बिल्कुल भरा हुआ था. While the attitude of the poor man was full of what? Sympathy. Now we have question number 7. Why is sympathy described as heavenly? See the answer. Sympathy is described as heavenly because it is quality of God and it is not based on any selfish motive. Now, see the question number 8. Which of the following qualities would you describe as heavenly? Some qualities has been given over here. Among them, you have to select the heavenly qualities. And the qualities are given here: pride, selfishness, kindness, goodness, indifference towards the poor, loving care of old and sick. So here the answer is the quality of the goodness, kindness, and loving care of old and sick can be described as what? Heavenly. In this way, we have completed this A part question. Now we have also appreciating the poem. In the B section some question, and the first question of this B section is given, give the central idea of the poem. So see the central idea. Sympathy is quality of God. It is heavenly because it is not based on any selfish motive. We should not be indifferent towards other. We can pay back money, but the service done to us in sympathy cannot be paid back. Once the poet fell ill and was lying with disappointment. A rich man helped him with money but did not speak a kind word, did not show sympathy. After becoming healthy, he paid back his money. His money. Here is written what many written by mistake. You have to make what? Money. Money. Sorry, what happened? Oh my god. So money. Oh, okay. You have to write here money. He paid back his money with dignity and thanked him. Another time, when he was ill and in pain, a poor man offered him care with warmth. The poor man praised the poet's head, cared him night and day with dignity, and the poet became healthy very soon. But now, but now, he found difficult to repay the care and the sympathy of the poor man. The poet says, you can write here realized also, okay? So whatever seems easy to you, you can write. The poet says money is great, but sympathy is greater than money. If somebody helps us with sympathy, we can pay back his. If somebody help us with money, here is what? Money, not sympathy. You can do one thing, just leave here. This is the end. Okay, leave these lines. Okay. So here is the central idea till this line only. Now, see question number. Again, there is in B section, there is some question. Bring out clearly the idea behind the word. His looks were cold. Here in second question, it is asked, who is the poet of this poem? We have already done earlier. You know very well, Charles Mackay is the poet of this poem, so no need to repeat the same question. So see the next question here is question number 3. Make it question number 3. It is bring out clearly the idea behind the word. His looks were cold. See the answer. His looks were cold means that his sight was indifferent. Indifferent means what? Not very much enthusiastic. मतलब उत्साह जिसमें बिल्कुल ना हो उदासीन. Okay. His attitude was not full of sympathy. Now, there is the last question of this poem. The last question of this poem is mentioned from the poem any two words that rhyme together. आपको कोई दो ऐसे वर्ड लेने हैं जो एक दूसरे से राइम करते हैं. So way and day rhyme together. Way. I have not written this answer, but you can write here. Way and day. Okay. Way and day. Rhyme. Way and day. Okay. Rhyme together. But make it a small letter. Way and day. In this way, we have completed the entire exercise of this poem. Thank you very much, student.